It is Halloween in the Bronx, October 31st. And I've noticed most kids are going trick-or-treating from store to store. There are a lot of apartment buildings, but it seems as if I'm seeing the children run out of the apartment, and then with the guidance of their parents, as you can see, we got a little princess, a little pink witch right in front of us. And they go store to store. It's really cute and very happy to be here today. All right, 170th Street, that is the area to the High Bridge, which is what brought me over to the Bronx today to see the fall foliage. And I do have my Halloween glasses on as well. And this is over by West 170th Street. All right. And fall foliage, it looks like we got another week left of color. Till next time, happy Halloween from the Bronx.